I did something wrong. Oh my god, no, go back, go back, go back. Hold up, son. I got this, y'all. Hold up. Alright, three, two, one.
So what you been doing?
Wait.
So what you been doing?
Bro,
Come
Dre,
on, bro. Not this
Dre,
time.
Bro, get my perfume.
bro, little man, come
Perfume.
on, man.
Get
What the fuck?
back.
Bro, I thought we supposed to be going to Saha.
Did the
Yeah, we
spray.
going to side house.
The boy
We gonna go to
spray.
side house?
Why
Bro,
he?
is you fucking
He's
Dang.
stupid.
Wait.
nah, bro, man?
Bro.
I ain't saw your ass in 3 days. You
I know you
trying
gonna
gay?
reach back there.
Hey,
Oh, that's
yo.
all you just hear right here?
Pause.
Man, get your gay ass
Hey,
back.
It
yo.
smell like roaches or nothing. Come on, you
Ew.
taking too long. Yo, came up.
See, you know, rainbow nigga. I know right. Look, see this nigga really gay.
Oh, I know. He tripping. He tripping.
Can I get a 10p chicken nugget meal? Hold the nuggets, cause we like big things over here.
No. What's good, YouTube? I said, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Davell Slime React. Homie, back in another banger reaction video. Hey, welcome to back, girl. I'm back, y'all. Hey, I know I ain't been seeing me so long since, you know what I'm saying? I know if y'all, hey, if y'all see the other videos, go to my channel right now and watch the, um, Lil Rai, no, Cory Boy got jumped, and Lil Rai, no, Lil Rai sold his Glock and stuff like that, and watch Drano TV episode 1 and 2. Just all that in my channel. I'm gonna put a link in the description. So like, how's y'all been though? I know I ain't been posting and stuff, but hey, I'm back. I'm back in my grind. I'm sorry, I've been busy. I've been in school and stuff like that. You know how that be. But bro, do y'all know some spring break about to come? But if y'all ready for spring break, bro, comment down below. Spring break is coming, bro. I can't wait. Spend time. And then another thing, it's no school next week, so I'm probably be posting this week. Yeah, I'm gonna go post some. You know what I'm saying? But hey, make sure y'all subscribe. We're almost to the road to 340 subscribers, and we almost to the road to 8,000 views. So just make sure y'all watching it and watching my videos, and click the tunnel post notification bell, and don't forget and subscribe right now. I want y'all to subscribe, please. I'm begging y'all, please. I'm slime. Come on, slime gang. We keep doing this, bro. Come on, develop slime gang. We got this, bro. Hey, Terry, where we at to? Cory board acting sus to my friends. Reaction hilarious. Oh my god, this shit my favorite be hilarious. I don't do this type of stuff. I'm just reacting. So hey, pause though. But hey, just we gonna see what's going on because this is about to be hilarious as hell. So I already laugh as it is. So just make sure subscribe to the notification bell. Forget and like to be up right now. So let's get it.
Dre, shut up.
Wait, hold up. My fault. Hold up. He is weird. He is weird, Slime Gang. He is weird. He's talking about we love big things over here, but pause though. Bro, what? Bro, Cory Boy's tripping. Cory Boy, if you watching this right now, bro, you weird, boy. But I know it's a prank, but you totally different, my boy. And you give me so wrong for no reason. You can't have my love. Been smoking them.
What's up, YouTube? What it is? What it is? It's your boy Cory Boy, and I'm back again with another video.
Another
Did I
video.
say video?
That's a
Did I say
video.
video? We back again with another. Well, I'm back
Bang.
again with another banger.
Banger.
But y'all already know what this video finna be about, bro. I'm
Oh
finna
god.
be acting sus in front of my homeboys, in front of my cousins. But bro, this is just for entertainment. Yeah, bro. Y'all wanted this though. This is just for entertainment.
For real.
Do not try to play me on that type of time. I'm not, you feel me, against Greenfield, none of that, but you feel me. Look, but I'm finna get my, I don't know how.
Bro, he gonna be
I don't
acting
know how
stupid,
girls
bro. This is
act, so I'm
hilarious.
like, Where we about to eat at? What the fuck? But look, bro, I'm doing this for y'all, bro. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn that post notification bell so y'all get whatever Cory bro post. And we finna get right into this video on game. Yeah, they go with cousin, bro. They go with cousin.
My boy, so why the fuck this time block you though?
Oh, he ain't even blocked me.
Whoa.
Yeah, I was finna. Yeah, I was finna tell your ass his ass just reacted to your phone.
When?
Oh shit. But wait, but where you just came from?
So what you been doing?
Bruh. Hey, not this, bruh.
Chill out with
Chill.
that shit, bro.
What you talking about?
No, bro, right in front of your head like this.
Bro, get my perfume.
Bruh.
Yo, man, come on, man.
Yeah,
What the
man.
fuck? Well, I thought we supposed to be going to Side.
Yeah, we going to side house. We gonna go to side house?
But what's up with
Is you
him?
fucking...
Dang. Wait.
Look, man, you gotta be... Man, when the hell you... Nah, bro, man. I ain't saw you every 3 days. You trying to gay. You trying to gay.
Wait.
You trying to gay for 3 days? What the fuck, my boy? Bro, this shit smell good, though, on me.
I know.
No, bro. What the fuck?
We finna go over side house, though, cause our bitch gotta eat, cause I'm hungry.
Bruh. He tripping.
What you doing?
Whoa.
Oh, see.
Bro, you no dead
I see
ass
what they be
shit.
talking about
No.
now.
Man, what the fuck? No, bro. Like, come on. You straight? I don't even feel comfortable in the car with your ass no more. I feel like you gonna try to
just sit back and relax, God.
Man.
Hey, look back there and get the it's something back there. Reach back there.
Whoa. Hey, yo.
Yo,
Hey, you about trip on? You about
no, bro, you
No, you tweaking.
Just
man, you
back
tell
there.
you got permanent guy gonna go down this bitch.
I'm not gonna touch you. Just reach back there.
What and get wait.
It's something like reach back there. Reach back there.
Bro.
Oh, that's all you just hear right here? Okay.
Man,
Okay, it smell like roaches or nothing.
Ew, he tweaking.
Wait, why you looking like that? You already cute.
Huh,
bruh?
Bro, on God, hold up.
Go get silent. He ain't blocked me though, okay? You know if he would've blocked me, I would've been on that bitch ass.
Oh. Come on, Cory, boy.
Look, man, it been 3 days. Like, it's like you turned gay, bro.
We just wait till we pick up the side.
Is you serious, man? Dude,
Wait,
I mean, damn, man. I don't even call you my. Damn, bro, this shit gonna sound gay.
For real.
Blocked out that way. So we can't go
Wait.
that way. We gotta go that way to the house.
Why blocked out? Yo, I got hit the interstate. Oh, that shit up that way.
Hit the interstate.
Bro, why the fuck you doing all that shit for, bro?
What you talking about?
Man, come on, bro. What the fuck,
Yeah, bro.
He tweaking.
Come on, you taking too long.
You gotta move that shit over.
Oh, you ain't got. You can just sit down. Just move over a little bit. Where we finna go? Finna go to McDonald's.
He just came and got me
You
from
don't
my
know
house.
McDonald's on at 5, you?
Good God.
This your new shit.
Yeah,
You know she got a birthday party. She got a birthday party this weekend. You coming? Huh? She got a birthday party. My niece.
He niece? Yeah.
Oh, this weekend.
I ain't doing shit either.
Oh God, I'm going to my ass bitch on dinner tomorrow.
This is like
You said you going to what?
My ass bitch dinner. But is you gonna come to my niece's party? They were not asking you. Why the fuck you talking like that?
For real?
What the fuck?
Mommy trying to pick me up. This shit.
I know I went gym when you told me to sit down.
Yeah.
You told me to sit down. Yeah, have a seat.
Nigga straight, boy.
Why I can't have my hand like this?
Man, it's only been 3 days. You turned gay, bro.
the fuck?
I promise you. So that nigga turn gay.
Oh, yeah.
No. Bad bitch. Ass bad. Fuck
What?
now your camera.
Bro, take me home, bro.
Go right, you go right, you
No,
go.
hell
Go
nah.
this side,
No.
go this side, go.
But I don't know. This nigga just tweaking, bro. I promise you, but man, saw this nigga for 3 days. This nigga turned gay. I promise you, bro.
So you hungry?
You ain't
Oh,
hungry?
shit, you
No.
finna feed me.
Yeah, I don't want no shit that's you. I don't. Cause I
Go to
don't.
McDonald's.
Okay, but I was saying. I was
What you
just saying.
say?
Shit's so serious.
Man, I might.
I'm finna fry some chicken.
Man, might be you might camera and friend pay though. That's it. I
The
probably
one
won't
on
do that.
Fairview Club, they rebuilding.
I ain't going to that one. Just sit down. I'm going to the one on N Street.
Well,
Well, y'all want Chick-fil-A? Which one y'all want?
I mean, I'm hungry, but hold up, bro. First, y'all ain't gotta talk straight.
Oh, God, bro. Like,
just
talk to me like he
For
usually
real,
talk.
he
bro.
talking
Like,
weird.
I
What
don't
you
know.
mean? Y'all doing too much, bro.
Bro, you man. It's soon. I bet.
Y'all
That's soon
doing
nigga hit.
too much.
What the fuck? You ain't got no weed in
Oh,
your
God.
head.
For real, wait.
Bro, you know I got dreads.
Bitch, get right.
Don't hit no.
No, why you hitting him like that, like a girl?
I don't know. See, nah. I don't even want to tell the nigga, cause this nigga just play me like he trying to flirt with me, bro. Nah, I'm proud of. I don't even tell this nigga no more. This nigga trying to flirt with me, type shit.
Man, what the fuck happened to that man?
I don't know. I promise you,
you
boy, man,
mean
some nigga for
happened to
3 days. Then nigga turned. He came back. Go baby, go. No.
Oh no, bro. Oh
Alright,
no.
so so look, yo, I gotta prove that your ass, your ass went gay. So yo, I gotta just stop at the red light and how about the car start dancing?
No, bro.
Oh, God.
Oh God,
Yeah, you gotta prove me.
then you gotta prove it.
To show y'all that I'm with.
Gay. What are you doing?
What the fuck you doing?
Yeah, all that.
This just how I act, bro.
You gotta,
Yeah, some
man.
bird type shit. Lose ain't even like that.
Oh, alright, so your ass gay, right? Man, got you somebody. Hey, but they got a red light right here. I bet
What
you
y'all want me to do?
How about I start dancing?
You get out and do that thing.
I gotta play the song, but I don't know the name of the song.
Kayla Nicole. You said that I
Yeah.
told Jalen.
Yes, bro. Did you tell Jalen you was gay, bro?
Why you keep saying gay?
But look, you saw him?
On me.
Why the fuck your seat up so close?
Go babies, go babies. My friend got 40 and 10.
But what the fuck?
He about to,
Why you keep doing
bruh.
No, mom, he keep throwing his
Go
hand
bad
up.
bitch, go bad bitch, go.
Somebody
Oh, my.
turned them out. Somebody done turned his ass out. Who did it, bro? Who the fuck playing with your asshole, bro?
Somebody.
Y'all my mama had to be.
Y'all going too far.
Had to
Bro,
be, bro.
how? And you in still, bro. Come on, bro.
How the we just came back 3 days and I just seen a rainbow nigga. I'm trying to see what the end of that motherfucker. That be probably be little man.
You remember we
How to
like,
go?
would you be gay for an hour for $1 million?
Oh
This
shit,
nigga
this
be
nigga
gay for
gay for
life.
real.
Oh,
$1
bruh.
billion.
Millions and dollars.
Baby,
Oh
with you
no.
right now.
Come on.
Hell
$1 billion,
no.
we gonna get $1 billion.
No, boy, you tripping.
Fuck you then.
Fuck
Oh.
you.
When I had my $1 billion,
You right.
Why you driving like that, bro?
I mean, no.
Why is he driving like that?
I ain't going to prison. I can't go to prison.
You sound your ass already went to prison, huh? You
On
ain't.
God, they different.
Don't say my name like that.
Sigh.
Your ass one hand on it.
Bro, shit, hey, bitch, don't play with me.
Sigh. What you mean?
It's a red light. It's a red
No
light.
change.
No, it's not. Hop your ass out.
Oh, yeah. Right.
They gonna change.
No, it's not. Hop out.
it is.
Man, baby, get out the way before you get his ass hit.
When you get that man.
Get out the way!
Oh no, bruh. Oh no, bruh.
His ass, I don't know what the fuck he talking about. He gonna hit his ass.
Ah.
Oh no, bruh. He's tripping.
That man gonna hit. I mean, damn, my fault.
That's
That man gonna
hilarious.
hit the little man there with that, you know.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay. Oh,
He about to do it.
alright.
He about to do it.
Let's see.
Cory boy, no, bro. Hey, this nigga is gay, bro.
Hey, y'all
Oh
want
my
some?
god, I can't take it. I can't take it. I
You
can't
thought
take
you
it.
were playing?
This boy was for real.
That shit. Hey,
Don't
promise to
touch
God,
me, bro.
dog.
Don't touch me, bro.
Don't touch me, bro.
For real,
You
don't
ain't changed
touch
on
me,
me.
bro.
We have 2 separate orders, please.
Why he sound like that? And he just put the tongue out. Oh my god. Mm-mm-mm. Help me,
What this shit
Jesus.
is?
A dollar?
We have 2 separate orders. We have 2 separate orders.
What's the first one?
On my first order, what you said?
A caramel frappe.
Can I get a caramel frappe small? And can I get a large fry with that? That's all you want.
Anything else?
I have a second order.
Yeah, what's on the second order?
Can I get a 10-piece chicken nugget meal? Hold the nuggets, cause we like big things over here.
Oh!
Yes, hold the
Oh!
nuggets, cause we like big things over here.
That nigga, not we. That
This
nigga.
is gay, bro. This nigga gay. This nigga is really gay.
That bitch was doing too much. She don't talk how I used to talk. I ain't like that.
But you got like Kiera, bro.
For real, bro.
What you said?
Huh?
No, he say nothing, bro.
What you said?
Bro, look that way, bro.
You look that way, boy.
No, I ain't say that shit. No fuck.
Oh,
Hold up, my boy.
He's
Y'all
tripping,
got
fool.
going on.
Hey, don't say y'all. Him.
But this is like Renzo be doing, like if y'all watch Giovanni Ville's like Renzo, bro, that nigga be like this for real. He is really gay, y'all. I'm sorry, Renzo, but I had to do it to you, bro.
You
ooh,
jumped
that
up.
man right there fine. I can, you know.
That junkie?
Oh, he a junkie?
Yeah,
Oh,
go let him spit in your booty hole for camera
tweaking.
You had one?
He gay side game, bro. This was a prank. This was a prank,
No,
bro.
but that shit ain't funny, bro.
But this was a prank.
Hell nah, you ain't playing that shit too good, my boy.
For
That
real.
was a prank, bro. That was the thing.
So throwing your ass was a prank.
I wasn't throwing my ass.
Shit, that would have seemed like from my point of view.
It was a little bit, but not really. He did not twerk though.
Wait.
Not really.
What I was doing.
No, your ass
I'ma
did some
cut
shit
some
like
of that
that.
out.
No, bro. He can roll the whole club. He did not do it. He
It was a prank
kind
when
of
I
about to
got
do
these
it, but
boys
he
in. So I
not.
get in the camera, mate. Y'all know I never change up on y'all like that. Acting like a sis. Come on now. Acting like I'm sus. But that's the prank, acting sus in front of my homeboy.
You spooked me, bro.
That
He
nigga.
come out spooked him for a minute. You feel me?
That's
You
funny.
know. But look though.
Hey man, hey, that was a good video. This is hilarious, bro. Hey, y'all should watch this, bro. This is so hilarious. Hey, so hey, make sure y'all subscribe, turn the post notification button, get and like the video up on to the road to 8,000 views. Stop playing with us, and we over to the road to 340. We want 335 subscribers. Hey, yeah, you make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and hit that like button right now. Just hit that right now, like real talk. Yeah, I'm about to end this video. I'm gonna see y'all to the next video. For real, this time I'm real gonna post a video. I'm dead serious. I'm gonna post a video. So hey, subscribe. I love y'all. The best on game. Pause though. Peace. Gang.
Shark boy, God up.